Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tax forms from TurboTax to your computer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open TurboTax on your computer. Ensure you are logged into the account where your tax forms are stored. Navigate to the Tax Home section of the application. Locate the Your Tax Returns and Documents link. Click on the link to access your past tax returns. Choose the tax year you wish to back up. After selecting the desired year, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to start the download process. A prompt will appear asking you to select a file format. Choose the preferred format for your backups, typically PDF is recommended. Once the format is selected, click Continue. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Monitor the download progress on your browser. When the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder to confirm the file has been saved. If needed, rename the file to something more recognizable. Move the file to a dedicated folder for tax documents on your computer. Consider creating a new folder labeled Tax Returns for easier organization. For additional security, consider backing up this folder to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Ensure the backup process is complete before closing TurboTax. Review your backup file to confirm that all information is correct and accessible. Now your tax forms are securely backed up on your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.